says in the Emirates, they're about to open the masjids for worshippers. The problem is that he has skin disease and he has diabetes and other illnesses. So would it be advisable for him to go to the masjid? Akhi, first of all, the doctors say if you have diabetes or high blood pressure or heart problems or kidney problems, you're better off praying home until the dust settles down. And until this moment, even the doctors themselves don't know what's going on. You find the CDC saying something and the doctors saying something else. You hear people saying conspiracy and others say, no, this is a pandemic, and people saying that this drug is useful, and the other side says, no, this is fatal and it can kill you. So even the doctors themselves are confused. In this time of confusion, if you are afraid due to your health condition that you may be infected or infect others, it is best for you to pray home. There's no problem at all in praying home, alhamdulillah, because you have justification. You have a legitimate reason for you to pray home. Now, if this all goes away and people go back to the masjids and they pray shoulder to shoulder, foot to foot, like they used to, and the doctors say that, inshallah, it is safe for you, then you may go and pray without any problem, inshallah, azza wa jal.